Welcome back, unicorn fans. Today we're going to be opening poppopspets from YULU. But before we get started, you know what to do. Like, subscribe, and hit that bell. Poppopspets are bubbles filled with slime and a surprise in them. Now let's get popping. Let's open it up. Whoa, look at the inside. There's pink and purple slime. We have 2 counts of 15. And there's 60 pets to collect. Here we have our collector's guide. There are kittens to collect, seals, sloths, llamas, penguins, piggies, and wiener dogs. There are common, rare, super rare, and special edition. Here we have 2 deluxe packs. On the other side, we have our mat. Look how cute it is with all the different characters. I love the pink theme. And look, there's a unicorn. Here we have a puzzle you can put together. And on the other side, there's a collector's guide. And here we have 3 starter packs. First, we're gonna spread our mat out, just like that. And we're gonna open our deluxe pack first and see which pets we reveal. And also, we have another piece of the puzzle. Now let's start popping. Look, here we have a pet. Look how cute it is. It has a little chef hat. And here we have the really sticky slime. It's very satisfying. Open another one. We have purple slime. Look at that, it's so cool. That was loud. We have more pink slime. It's so satisfying to stretch. We also have another pet inside. Look how cute it is. It looks like it's playing the DJ. And here's a close-up of me popping one. We're gonna have a huge pile of slime after we're done popping all of them. The pink slime is more of a jiggly slime than the purple one. The purple one's more of a putty slime. As you can see, the pink slime's a clear slime. Let's dump our other one out. There you go. Look at the cute character we got. I like the purple color to it. We also have another character. Look how cool it looks with its glasses on. Also another one. Has a lot of yellow on it. There's a lot of slime in all of them. Look at the pink slime. Let's pop more. Look at it, it looks like we got a little kitty. Got more slime. We have a little pet inside of here. Let's get it out of the slime. Look, it's inside of a little shell. How cool is that? We're gonna squeeze the slime out of here. Okay, let's pop this one. Looks like we got another figure. Look how cute it is. It has sparkles on it. And I like the blue tail. Let's get the slime out. Let's pop. Whoa. Look how cute it is. I love the orange on it. Okay, squeeze, squeeze. Look, we have a little llama. It's so cute. Now we're gonna open a starter pack. Let's dump it out. And here we also have another puzzle piece. Let's open up and see what it has inside. Here it is. Now let's start popping. I love the texture of the slime. And I also love the colors of it. They're very pretty. Okay, here we have a pet. Let's take it out. The slime. Look at it, it looks like a dinosaur. I like the scales on it. Okay, put the slime to the pile. Whoa, oh, it's loud. We have a lot of slime so far. Okay, here we have a figure. Here it is. Here's the back. Woo. Slime won't go in the pile. Stay. When you feel the slime, it feels wet, but actually it's dry on your hands. It is very stretchy. And it's very satisfying to squeeze. And here is our purple slime. It stretches more than the pink one. Now we're gonna mix both of our slimes together and see what color it makes. So I'm gonna roll them out. this. And I'm gonna put them together. That. I wonder if it's gonna turn all purple or if the pink slime's gonna be a darker pink. When we mix both colors, slimes, it turned into a dark purple. And there's a little bit of pink in there. Now let's take a closer look at all of our pops pets that we opened today in our slime. Here we have our special edition, our super rare, and this is one of my favorites. Her name is Pearl Seal. Here is our rare. It's another one of my favorites. Its name is Piano Piggy. Here are all of our commons. Here's my other favorite one. His name is Master Chef Wiener. It's another look at all of our pops pets. And here's the slime. Thank you, YULU, for sending in pops pets. I had so much fun revealing the cute pets inside of the slime. Think Warranty Horns are real. Remember, like, subscribe, and hit that bell. Until next video, bye.